Hi, this is Edie with the Little House of Beans. Today on Cooking with Edie, we are making eggs Benedict Croissant Casserole. And as you can tell by my hair, it is morning. So why don't you...
Do the rest of the video looking up like that.
So why don't you stick around? We will make the most delicious breakfast casserole. Please do us a huge favor. Please click that like button.
Not smushy?
Or smushy, the like button, click the notification bell, and of course please do subscribe. It's the best way to help Little House of Beans grow. The recipe will be in the description below, and if you are interested in the Omnia oven, the link will also be in the description below, where we ourselves purchased it from Amazon. I'm ready to cook. I'm hungry. It's morning. It is gorgeous out. Let's do it.
Look at that.